Hi, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois, sharing today one of our pre-owned vehicles. This is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This vehicle is in beautiful shape from top to bottom, and you can tell that it was very well cared for. There are quite a few options and features on the inside that are worth showing off. We'll check those out in just a second. This vehicle has under 50,000 miles on it. Beautiful leather interior, very clean and well kept. Have your power seat and memory controls available on your door. And the classic luxury touches that you would expect to find in a Mercedes. You have the wood grain finished dash and doors, and the beautiful leather interior top this vehicle off. Last but not least, this vehicle does also have a sunroof to enjoy those nice weather days. So please let us know if you have any questions about this Mercedes. We've also got quite a few other very great options on our pre-owned lot to include used certified vehicles. Please let me know if we could answer any questions for you. 708-429-3000. Just ask for our sales department. 708-429-3000, and please check us out online at applechevy.com. Thank you very much.